As we edge closer to the end of 2024, Apple enthusiasts and tech aficionados are abuzz with anticipation for the highly anticipated M4 Mac Mini redesign. Known for its blend of compact design and powerhouse performance, the Mac Mini has been a staple in the compact computing world. The upcoming M4 chip promises to elevate this iconic desktop to new heights, offering both a significant redesign and impressive upgrades in functionality. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into everything you need to know about the M4 Mac Mini, from rumored design changes and cutting-edge features to release dates and expected pricing. In 2010, the Mac Mini underwent its first major redesign. The switch to an aluminum unibody enclosure not only enhanced durability, but also aligned the Mac Mini with Apple's premium design aesthetic. This redesign marked a significant step forward, combining robustness with elegance. The introduction of the M1 chip in the 2020 Mac Mini was a pivotal moment in its history. The M1 chip brought unprecedented efficiency and speed to the Mac Mini, making it a standout performer in the compact desktop market. The M1-powered Mac Mini set new standards, impressing both casual users and professionals alike with its blazing performance. The M4 Mac Mini is expected to bring several notable changes and enhancements. While Apple has yet to officially confirm all details, insiders have shared intriguing information about the forthcoming redesign. For users who demand top-tier graphics performance, the M4 Mac Mini is expected to deliver enhanced graphics capabilities. Whether you're into video editing, graphic design, or casual gaming, the new Mac Mini should provide a smoother and more immersive experience. The base model of the M4 Mac Mini is expected to start at around $699. This price point aligns with Apple's strategy of offering affordable entry points into their desktop ecosystem while maintaining high-performance standards. For users seeking more power, higher-end configurations of the M4 Mac Mini could push the price above $1,500. These models will likely offer expanded RAM and storage options, catering to professionals and power users who need additional performance and capacity. Insiders suggest that the M4 Mac Mini could be released in the second half of 2024. While this timeline is not yet confirmed by Apple, it provides a rough estimate for those eagerly awaiting the new model. The launch of the M4 Mac Mini is expected to have a significant impact on the broader computing market. With its combination of powerful performance, sleek design, and competitive pricing, the M4 Mac Mini is poised to appeal to a diverse range of users. As we anticipate the release of the 2024 M4 Mac Mini, it's clear that Apple is set to make a significant impact with this redesign. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release.